Hello friends, welcome to Infinky Infopedia, and today we are diving deep into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. We've got the news that the Z Fold 6 could finally get better cameras and confirmation on all other specs and features. Let's find out. Google has just rolled out the Find My network, a nifty tool to locate your misplaced mobile devices. Utilizing Bluetooth, it pings nearby phones and gadgets, even if they lack signal or data, plus, it's compatible with third-party trackers. But wait, there's more. Google is also developing a powered-off Finder API, enabling location tracking even if the device is powered down. While not all phones will support this feature, it's highly probable that the Z Fold 6, considering its release date, will be among them. Let's take a look at a tweet from Crow. He mentions that Samsung is currently testing the Z Fold 6 camera with a 100-megapixel and a 50-megapixel sensor. However, there's a twist to this story. It seems that the increased camera resolution is specifically for the Z Fold 6 Ultra, not the standard Z Fold 6. Ice Universe shared an image of the Z Fold 6 prototype, giving us a glimpse of what to expect. The device appears similar but with a wider form factor when folded. He mentioned that it will measure 5.6 mm in thickness when folded and weigh 239 grams. There will be numerous upgrades such as a new chipset, an improved and brighter display. Now, for those eagerly anticipating the Z Fold 6, we'll explore the complete specifications, design, and anticipated pricing to help you decide if it's worth the anticipation. Don't forget to subscribe now and let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. With a resolution of 1812 by 2176, it's protected by Samsung's latest ultra-thin glass, promising enhanced durability. For the external display, there's a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. While the current resolution remains unknown, it ensures smooth and vibrant visuals for everyday use. The selfie cameras consist of a 10-megapixel wide-angle camera on the cover display and a 4-megapixel under-display camera on the internal display. On the rear, there's a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultrawide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 globally. It offers 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. This will undoubtedly feature UFS 4.1 technology. Equipped with a 4400 mAh battery, details regarding fast charging remain undisclosed, but we anticipate enhancements in wired and wireless charging capabilities. We get advanced 5G Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7. Then we also get ultra-wideband support, and it's coming with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from $1,850 in August 2024. Overall, the Z Fold 6 looks like another minor upgrade to the Fold series. They focus on software and user experience rather than completely redesigning the phone. So, that's it for today. If you want to stay updated on all tech news, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.